Okay, today is Friday, October 2nd, 2020. We're at 35849 Delia. You can see we're at a catch basin here. You can see we're in the front of the house. This is a storm catch basin. We're going to kind of pull up so you can see. The sump lead comes in. As you can see, we've got a piece of 2-inch PVC. We'll move it out of the way. There's the sump lead. This is just to help us televise. We are going to push the camera down. We will zero out when we get to the bottom. Okay, Dan was out and did a cable. The sump drain goes up to the side of the house behind the garage. Okay, as you can see, we're going to pull back. You can see right here at about 65 feet, we do have calcite buildup. You can see Dan broke up a good amount as we were going through. We are going to pause at this point. We do want to locate. We believe this turn is somewhere towards where the sump drain is, to where it turns to go towards the house. Okay, we have located this area. We did move a stone that was in the back. This is just outside of the stone landscaping in the backyard. This is where the sump drain turns and heads back up towards the house. As you can see, we're about 65 feet out. There's approximately 20 feet of storm drain. Sump discharge line from this point to where it goes up to the house. As you can see, we have a large calcite buildup in this area. We do possibly recommend hydrojetting to see if this could be cleared. As you see, we can't turn the camera past this area due to the buildup. And you can see as we pull back, actually, you see the sump did kick on. You see we do have flow coming through this area. We will go ahead at this time and pull back. Again, you can see there's some areas that still have some calcite buildup in it, but you can see the line does flow as we pull back, and we do have water that drains in. So the sump seems to currently be draining at this time. The next step would be to do some hydrojetting to clear as much of the calcite as possible. As you can see, from about 53 feet back, the line does look pretty clear. So it is just the remaining bit of calcite, or a bit of sump. You can see here we've got a little bit built up, and this is what Dan has broke up with the cable. With jetting, we would be able to blow that out into the catch basin and clear the pipe of all this loose debris, and hopefully be able to break up the rest of the calcite and clear the line out at that point. But again, the line is flowing at this time. You've seen the sump did drain, and we had water that came into the storm manhole out here in the Greenbelt area. It's a 3-inch Schedule 30 sump drain. It is thin wall pipe, but it does appear, from what we've been able to see, it does appear to be intact at this time. It doesn't appear to have any areas that are broke or ovaled out. Obviously, when we do a jetting, we would be able to get a better view of the piping, get it clean, and see if there's any areas that might possibly need a repair. And here you can see, this is where we're pulling up our pipe. This is just what we use to help us get the camera down to the drain in the manhole. Again, you can see this is the storm. You can see here's the two driveways, and you can see we're right in the Greenbelt area, and behind us is the front street.